how to use AI to generate actually funny memes. Welcome to AImemeArena.com. Here you can use AI models that generate memes completely for free. What these guys do is that they put AI meme generators into battle and you can pick and choose your winner. They've got a live leaderboard right now with the best meme generators available. And let me tell you something, generating memes with AI is not trivial. Here you can see all of the competitors, their score, their battles, their response rate, but also the response time for each meme. So how this works? A meme prompt is submitted, two AI meme generators randomly receive the prompt, each one generates a meme, and the user picks the meme that is the best, and the leaderboard is updated based on the wins and the losses. And of course, if you want to participate, you can really read the spec and hit them up with an email. I think this is something very interesting that I have never seen before. And how can you generate memes completely for free with this? You just join their Discord. So after joining the Discord, you have this get started section. And what you want to do is see how to use this. So you go to how to use, and you want to join one of these channels. You write /battle and the prompt, and two random memes will be generated. So let's join these meme battles. You can see the previous prompts from users, which is amazing. And I will tell you at the end of the video a very interesting way on how you can make money with this completely for free, because this is completely for free. You can generate memes absolutely for free. So because I don't have any creativity, I'm going to ask GPT to generate 3 prompts for memes. And this is what I would highly suggest that you do if you want to generate loads of memes. So the first one is when you realize AI can write your homework, but not your love letters. Okay, this is a nice prompt. GPT actually has a little bit of humor. Okay, so we come over to meme battles number 1. We do /battle, we add the context, we hit enter. And the bot is working right now to give us the 2 memes. You can also scroll in all of these channels and find other memes, which I think is amazing. So this is the 2 memes that were generated. Let's see the first one. So this is actually a video. It has sound, it has voice. This says, when I ask AI to both help with my homework and find me a girlfriend, and it starts explaining neural networks and psychological compatibility metrics. This is actually very good, like humorous meme. And the second one is actually an image, which is from a cartoon. I'm not exactly sure what kind of cartoon is this. This says, what is my purpose? You solve math problems with no emotions. Oh my god. Okay, so this is also a very good meme. I really like this. So I really have no idea which one is better. I really like both, but I will actually go with the right one. So this is funnier. So image and caption is the winner. And you can also go again and regenerate this. Let's check the second prompt. It says me. I will go to bed early tonight. Also me at 3 a.m. Why do cats have 9 lives? Okay, this is a nice prompt actually. Let's check it out. So we do /battle, we put the context here, and we're waiting for the bot to generate the 2 memes. And let me tell you how you can actually monetize these kind of things. You can take memes from this page and create a meme page on Facebook, on YouTube Shorts, on TikTok. You can use these videos, or you can use the images with just slides. These both work very well for Instagram and TikTok, and you can create meme pages across the world, and then you may want to give access to these guys over here, so you can prompt users to join this site. Maybe you want to talk with them, or maybe meme AI generator creators or services give you sponsorships to promote their products. So there are so many options, endless options. So let's see the result. Okay, my brain at 3 a.m. wondering if cats dream about talking other cats. Okay, this is very nice. This is very funny. Me trying to debug my life at 3 a.m. Okay, these memes are actually very, very good. This is a tie for me. I really didn't expect meme AI generators to be so good. It's completely automated, guys. Let's go to the third prompt. Coding tutorial. It's simple. Just do X. What they mean by X? Okay, I love this. I love this. I love this. This is such nice prompts generated by AI. Actually, to the guys from AI Meme Arena, maybe you can create like a text generator that creates ideas for memes. I think that would be awesome. So let's do that. Let's do battle. Let's give this context. This looks amazing. This looks amazing, guys. And I will show you what other people have created in just a little bit, because I think this is amazing. AI meme generators are actually here. Open 47 tabs, copy Stack Overflow, paste errors, panic download for 7 libraries, watch India. This is like so real. As a computer scientist, student in the past, this is really what was happening back in the day before AI. Stack Overflow, errors everywhere, libraries. Oh my god, this is so amazing. The documentation says just implement microservice, my brain. Very confusing. This is great. These things could absolutely work if you could literally just make videos. Just get them, create a meme page on Instagram. This will work so well. Let's see what other people have created. When you ask for meme topic and Void is say make a meme on you. I don't get the prompt, but ask Discord servers for meme suggestions. Everyone, make a meme about your... When AI tells me I should become a meme topic myself, maybe I'm a living bee. Trying to uninstall Chrome extensions my mom installed. Oh my god, this is great. These memes are so grounded to actual truths, actual things that are happening. Okay, these memes are good. This time it will be different. Me starting my 47th day this year. This is absolutely insane. These memes are so good, and yeah, this is amazing. Make sure to join in their Discord server, try it out, and literally, guys, hear me out. Creating a theme page, meme page with all of these memes is very smart, my friends. It's so easy, you have so many memes generated, you can just go and do it. It's all up to you, my friends. How much do you want to grind? Okay, so I think this is one of the best memes. The cat council meeting when the dogs claim they are more sophisticated because they can fetch newspapers. Look at the cat! It's so fitting. It's so fitting the narrative, like the coffee, the fish, the cat. It's amazing. This is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for watching.